I know of a crop that you can farm and make money within a month. I know of a crop that doesn't need a lot of capital. I know of a crop that doesn't need a big piece of land. I know of a crop that doesn't need a lot of energy when you are going to market. I know of a crop that doesn't need a lot of labor and a lot of irrigation water. Which is that one crop? Gone are the days when we used to farm for food or just to have food in our household. Gone are the days when you used to go to the farm to farm just maize, beans, and not other horticultural crops. Because when I was growing up, some of the vegetables used to grow inside the maize or along the fence. That's where we used to get vegetables, or we keep our small kitchen garden that we used to grow vegetables. At that time, vegetables were not a good business. But as we speak, as per now, vegetables is among the biggest business. Vegetables are among the business that you can make money with. Talking of vegetables, in our today's discussion, I'm excluding tomatoes, I'm excluding potatoes, I'm excluding onions, I'm excluding garlic, I'm excluding cabbages, I'm excluding all that vegetables that you may think of. And this is the reason to why I'm excluding them is one, there is this question everybody has been asking me, which is that one crop that you can make money with? That one crop that you can grow and make good money with? I'm still thinking about that crop. I'm still thinking about the crop that you can grow and make good money with. But wait, I know about a crop. I know of a crop that you can farm and make money within a month. I know of a crop that doesn't need a lot of capital. I know of a crop that doesn't need a big piece of land. I know of a crop that doesn't need a lot of energy when you are going to market. I know of a crop that doesn't need a lot of labor and a lot of irrigation water. And you can make good money with. And this crop is Dhania, coriander. Dhania, whichever name you use, coriander or Dhania, we commonly call it Dhania, also known as coriander. That is that one crop that can give you money, good money, not just money, within a month. Within 1 month, you get good money. What am I trying to say? What is this farmer trying to tell us today? Yes, Dhania can give you good money. See it yourself. Have you seen? What are you seeing? You can see it yourself. You can see how the farm look like. This is Dhania. This is Dhania. This one is almost hitting a month. But I feel like I'm going to give it just another week, just 1 week, to harvest it at 6 weeks, because I need it to be more vegetative. And there is a good class about this, by the way. There is a good class about how to plant this and sowing this. Today is a business class. Today I'm sharing with you the best crop that you can do in 2024 and make good money. Less investment, less labor, less capital, less everything, and still gives you money. Let's take an example of this bed that we are in at the moment. This bed carries 250 grams. It's even 200 grams because I was left with seeds. This is 200 grams of seeds that I sowed in this bed. Just 200 grams. And from this bed, I'm expecting around 30 kgs. in between 20 and that, not less than 20, but and not more than 30. That is what I'm expecting in this bed. And it's seeds, it's 200 seeds, because I end a packet of 500 grams, subdivided it to 2, and I was left with seeds. My weekly plan was to sow 250 grams per week, but whenever I make my bed is 1 meter by 20 meters. So I was left with some seed that I planted on the other hedge. So this is money making crop. With this bed alone, 250, expecting let's come 25 kgs, because we are told a kg of Dhania. What the book says, a kg of Dhania produces around 160 kgs of the leaves. A kg of seeds produces 160 kgs. But in my case, let me go with 100 kgs. So for this one, let me expect 25 grams. That is tested and proven because I've done this before. 25 grams. Take your calculator. 25 kgs multiplied by, what am I came to business now. Production of 25 kgs from this bed. Market price at the moment, we are selling at 50 shillings per kg. I don't know when it was how much it sells, or when it is higher how much it sells. You can check your market, because this is something that you don't need to struggle a lot because of the market, because not everybody grows this, and the consumption is very high. Everybody like cooking with the Dhania. So 25 kgs production, now we go to business, multiplied by 50. That is 1,250 shillings. 1,250 shillings within a week. If you can be able to make 5 of these, you are making 5,000 per week, which totals up to 25,000 per month, because you get these on weekly basis. Because my market has been limiting me, but with it, the market has increased now. I have, from next week, I'm increasing my capacity to 5 to 10 beds of this capacity. That means I'm targeting around 5,000 to 10,000 cash or money per week. So what are you waiting for? With the little cash you have, with the little money you have, with the little savings you have, with your small farm, with the borrowed farm behind that house of your parent house, or your rented house where you've borrowed, your road a place to farm. What are you waiting for? You can farm this, you can do Dhania and make good money. Tested and proven. You can try it and get back to me if it doesn't work. This is not a sure bet. This is a sure bet that I'm giving to you. Like I promised this year, giving sure bet, sharing with you the best of the best. I can assure you, you're in the right place. If you're new here, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also this YouTube channel has a membership section. Don't forget to be a member of this YouTube channel. Support me by subscribing to be a member here, so that I can continue giving you the best farming content, updating you on the best crop to grow, the best prices in the market, and to better your farming skills. Also, don't forget to share this YouTube video so that other farmers can learn and can be better farmers. Be my member. Join my membership group today to support me, so that we can continue doing the good work that we are doing at the farm. Bye.